Parker Culver, Speed Cover Finish Network. Back at it, part 2, buy, fix, flip. Just showing you guys the basic little things you guys can do to a car if you're planning on fixing it up to sell it. The only things we have left to do, go ahead and sand out this mess on the top of the bumper, spray a little bit of fresh white paint on it, and then blend some clear into the rest of the bumper. We are gonna go ahead and throw the new rear bumper on the back and buff out this trunk. A little bit of a dent here, a little bit of a dent here. Really quick and easy job. Go ahead and straighten that out, blend some paint into this, and then she's done. Going to do a part 2 on this video and then just call it a wrap most likely. So I'm just going to kind of get little tidbits of each repair and just put it in the video, and then that'll be it. Last little bit of paint work we're doing in the car. I haven't done any blending on this channel before. I'm not going to go too into detail. This is really like a separate video, but I'll show you guys a little bit. Here's our repair, okay? 500, 1000, 2000, 3000 grit. This is your blend area. It's really hard to see because it's white, but these are our 3000 grit scratches here. You're going to stop your clear coat about an inch or two before that line. You're going to spray your blender 2 inches past the 3000 grit scratches to about 3 inches into where you last clear coated. All that being said, we're going to whack it on. Wraps up for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.